Dear students, today we will discuss another unassociated molecule which is very important, that is ibuprofen. That is ibuprofen means that belongs to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, that is also abbreviated as NSAID. NSAID. Okay. As because of NSAID, it have a mechanism of action. What is the mechanism of action? Similarly, that is inhibition of cyclooxygenase, means that enzyme, cyclooxygenase enzyme, basically responsible for the synthesis of prostaglandin and thromboxane A2. Okay, these are reason or factors for the pain as well as water inflammation. Okay, means basically cyclooxygenase enzyme, basically two types, COX1 and COX2. COX1 and COX2, but it inhibit both enzyme, that's why it is non-selective. That is non-selective COX inhibitor. Okay, means which results inhibition synthesis of prostaglandins as well as thromboxane A2. Clear? Which results have two effects mainly, that is analgesic effect, antiplatelet effect as well as antipyretic effect. Okay, because of these these effects, its uses are: first one, analgesic effect, different situations, that may be rheumatoid arthritis, first one, that may be osteoarthritis, second one, that may be soft tissue injuries, third one means, and next may be toothache and generally fracture. Okay, in these situations, ibuprofen is used as an analgesic. Okay. Similarly, second use, that is in anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory means reduce inflammation. What is the inflammation? That is redness, swelling, and edema. That is the character, three characters of inflammation. Okay. Next, third usage, that is antipyretic. This ibuprofen generally preferred in the children or infants. It is very safe NSAID used in the infants as well as children. Okay, this is all about the mechanism of action as well as the uses of ibuprofen. Now come to the synthesis. Now this is the synthesis. We would like to discuss synthesis. Here synthesis, what is the synthesis? As you do know, the ibuprofen, that is propionic acid derivative. How it is propionic acid derivative, we have completely discussed in the classification, but again I will explain here also. Before going to the explanation, we must, or we would like to discuss that the synthesis. What is the synthesis? See, what is this one? The tertiary butyl and benzene, and this one the acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Okay, this acetyl chloride simply give the substitution reaction, that is basically reaction number first, and this reaction known as, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. This electrophilic substitution reaction, basically which type of electrophilic? That is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, this Friedel-Crafts reaction, basically which type of Friedel-Crafts? That is acylation. That is acylation. Why it is acylation? This acyl moiety is attached to the this benzene. Clear? Next step, that is the, see here is the, this one, the ketone functional group. This functional group is a ketone functional group. Ketone functional group, we are adding to the second reaction, that is HCN. HCN is the hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide have a simply addition reaction to the ketone functional group, or we can say carbonyl functional group. It is the characteristic reaction of carbonyl functional group. This is the carbonyl compound, and this reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Means Here H directly goes to hydrogen and C directly goes to carbon. Means if H comes here oxygen, then it will convert to OH. If Cl comes here, that is directly carbon carbon bond. Here next stage, that is third stage, that this is the cyno derivative having a having OH. This is known as cynohydrin derivative. Cyanohydrin derivative. Okay, that cyanohydrin derivative is here OH group is there, but in our structure or structure of ibuprofen there is no OH group. Then we have to remove this OH group. How we can remove? By mean of reduction. That is reduction by mean of Hi and red phosphorus. If alcohol, this Hi and red phosphorus alcohol is directly converted into alkane. Means that is removal of OH group. This is the basically which type of reaction? That is reduction. Okay, this is our third reaction. Means this OH will be removed and hydrogen will be here. Okay, this one the reduction. In next step, that is the fourth one. Fourth one, we are going to be hydrolyzed to cyano group. If cyano group hydrolysis, then it will convert into carboxylic group. This hydrolysis, that is the hydrogen means H plus ion as well as OH, means we are going to give a acidic treatment, and due to acidic treatment it undergo hydrolysis process. Hydrolysis process gives the complete carboxylic group, that is the carboxylic group, and this is our drug, that is ibuprofen. And startingly I have just asked to you, that is 1, 2, 3, that is propanoic acid, that is butyl form, isobutyl, this is the isobutyl. Okay, this is propanoic acid. That's why we are having ibuprofen because of its structure. And here this carbon have a chiral center, this carbon have the chiral center. This is ibuprofen, all complete package related to synthesis, mechanism action as well as usage of ibuprofen. Just I am quick review on the ibuprofen. Simply, it is non-selective COX inhibitor, or non-selective COX inhibitor means inhibition of COX-1 as well as COX-2 enzyme, which results inhibition of synthesis of prostaglandins and thromboxane A2, which results have a different effect, analgesic effect, antipyretic effect and antiplatelet effect. Due to these effect, it is used as analgesic in different conditions, that may be rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, soft tissue injuries, toothache, fracture, etc. Similarly, it is also used as anti-inflammatory as well as antipyretic. Antipyretic means decrease the body temperature, means it is used in the fever condition. Okay, these are the uses. Simply, it is used in its synthesis. First reaction is the Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is the example of electrophilic substitution. That is the acylation. Acyl moiety means CH3CO group is attached. It is simply undergo nucleophilic addition by mean of HCN that have a cyanohydrin derivative. Cyanohydrin derivative have a OH group. We are reducing in next step by mean of Hi and red phosphorus, that undergo the alkane form, means removal of alcohol. That cyano group is directly reduced to by mean of acidic condition, means acid plus water molecule, which converts into carboxylic group, and this is the ibuprofen. This is all about what? Ibuprofen. In exam or university exam, if question is that write short note on ibuprofen, then you must write all things, means whatever I have taught, means that the mechanism of action, usage as well as the synthesis. Okay, if university exam ask the question, means what question? Write the synthesis of ibuprofen, then you have to write only the synthesis of ibuprofen. Come to the next point. If any question related to multiple choice question, then what may be the multiple choice question? Question may be the mechanism action. First, it is a non-selective inhibitor, means that is the inhibition of COX-1 and COX-2. What is the which synthesis is inhibited? That is the synthesis of prostaglandin as well as thromboxane A2. And what are the effect on usage? That may be analgesic, that may be antipyretic, and that may be anti-inflammatory. These are the uses. It is a safe drug for the children also. This is all about the ibuprofen that belongs to NSAIDs.